Today, we're going to build a hunting rifle for our minifigure using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This hunting rifle was used by Kraven the Hunter in the Spider-Man bridge battle. And what we do is we get this little mechanical arm in brown for the stock of our gun. And then in the hole here, we're going to get a T-bar. And just put the T-bar all the way into that stock piece like this. Next, we get a 1x1 plate with hole. And you put it so that the stud end with the hole goes towards the stock or inside the T-bar. So the larger end is facing out. Next, we get a lightsaber hilt, and you put it so like the little, the smaller end with the little kind of notches there in front is the barrel or the end of the barrel, and then the thicker end goes into that stud piece like this. And here you've got a nice little hunting rifle. Maybe you want to hunt an elephant, lions, or Spider-Man.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.